Alright, what we got here?
We got a bike check fit Wi-Fi 20.25. Pretty sleek. We got a fucking animal remix stem. Shout out to Dan Gardner for getting it for cheap. And cold stickers. Shout out to fucking Zach Higgins. Then we got these bars. Shout out to Tyler Bailey. Yeah.
What bars are they?
Whiskey.
Oh, alright.
Yeah.
What about these grips?
Yeah, they're poopy Corey Martinez grips. Pretty soft like Tyler's ass.
They're poopy?
Yeah.
They kind of feel like my poop now that I'm feeling them. Anyway, moving on.
Dick, you know?
Moving on.
Yeah, and then we got this modified kink animal headset. Slammed it in there because my frame was dented. I like it. Yeah. All right, then we got butcher pegs with with a refused resist tire, premium 225. Then we got the Odyssey forks in black. Yeah, I wonder what Meg might say about that. Tree front hub, pretty beat to poop. Then we got a deviant rim. We got black spokes, pretty soft nipples.
Nice.
Are they pretty hard?
They actually are pretty hard.
It's horny.
It's kind of cold out here.
Yeah. And then we got this really comfortable seat that is a dual pivotal. And then we got a animal seat post. Shout out to Dan Gardner. And then we got dual pedals. Great pedals. Twine bolts I had for like a year. They're pretty good so far. Still like them. We got a bottom bracket that's Odyssey. Another butcher peg. We got a Madeira back hub. Yeah, pretty grinded up. Not that bad. Then we got a 7KA. Yeah. Shadow overtaker tire. We just switch it up. Kink something sprocket 28 tooth. KG chain. Yeah, and that's probably it.
Alright.
Alright, then we got
Moving on to the good part of the video. Moving on to the better part of this video. We got this bike. We got this sexy bike right here.
Which is
We got the Federal 20 inch Dan Lacey frame with Dan Lacey bars.
Federal.
28 inch Federalness Colt sticker. Zach Higgins is my husband. ODI bar enders. We got the profile acoustic stem. This nice Federal sticker on the framula, and the Federal 2020 fork with a front wheel that has an Odyssey Vendero 2 hunk of shit hub laced to a deviant godly rim. Black nipples, the way I like them. Right over here, we've got the blade sprocket. There's just no other way to go other than the profile blade. We've got this shadow chain, some twine bolts, some duos, which Magic copied with them.
Fuck you.
Some metal bike seat post, which is pretty cool. Check-Maciek gave me that one. Deco Deck pivotal seat, real soft. Dirt Monster tire from Primo. Colony Contour rim, tree cassette, Hubbaroonie. Then we got this bike, which is pretty damn sexy. I should feel like riding it right now, you know?
Hey, fail.